Welcome to Section 7.3, Part 2. In Section 7.3, we're looking at multiplying powers with the same base. Let's warm up with what we did yesterday. So try these problems, and then check back to see how you did. Remember our rule from yesterday says you keep the base, and you add the exponents. Again, we don't like to keep the negative exponents, so we would write this as 1 over 2 squared, or 1/4. Here, we're going to multiply our numbers first. So 4 times 6 is 24. There's a 1 here, so 24 times 1 is still going to give us 24. Then we're going to keep our base x and add our exponents. So 2 and a -3 is -1, and -1 and a +4 is going to give us 3. Here, we're going to multiply our numbers. We have a 1 here and a 1 here. So 1 times -5 is -5, times 1 is still going to be a -5. We're going to add our exponents. Y, we have 3 minus 2, which is 1, and 1 minus 1, which is 0. Again, we don't want to leave that. That's not completely simplified. Anything to the 0 power is 1, and 1 times a -5 would give me -5. Let's take a look at some of these problems. What we're trying to do here is figure out what goes in the box to give us our answer. So in other words, for this first one, 2 plus what is going to give us 9? Well, 2 plus 7 would give us 9. In this case, -1 plus what is going to give us 6. If you want, you can replace the question mark with an x and solve the equation. Add 1 to both sides so that x is equal to 7. Here, we want to know what plus 4 is going to give me a -4. So again, if I subtract 4 from both sides, treating this as an equation, I end up with x equals -8. And in our last example, we have x plus 7 equals -3. So if I subtract 7 from both sides, x is going to equal a -10. Your homework assignment for this part of the section is on page 430, numbers 37 to 45.